a full throttle kind of guy. Happy Sunday. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your weekend. I know we're kind of between sports. No football, no baseball, but that's on the horizon. Anyways, I'm going to do a quick short. I know it's been a minute since I posted anything with the Galaxie. Of course, I still have it. Not going anywhere anytime soon. I love the early 60s inspired features on cars, so I'm kind of going to give a little tip off on part of the direction I'm going. Have the typical air cleaners that we get in all of our cars in that. So I wanted to go old school take on it.